Dylan's in the car waiting for me because obviously I wasn't ready in time, but we're gonna go check out this new spot called Noren. I'm scared it's gonna be packed. We'll see. So cold.
Yeah, please. Asia wants 1 sugar, please.
Like remixes! Remix! Who's Carm anyways?
Hi, how are you?
Hey, Juge.
Hey. What? Oh, okay.
Where's this?
Who's mine?
Where's Asia's little car?
Asia's little car
I'm
doesn't do
taking
well.
Asia's little car in this.
Oh, I didn't know you had a car.
Everyone? Problem.
I was gonna go to the gym today, but it's not happening. Like how he's supposed
Going to the game.
Should have taken the X-ray.
I know.
She's giving it back.
Wow. I gotta wait for my toast and my fucking beans. I can't get ahead of myself. That's what I said.
1 to 6 or some shit.
Yeah. Fuck you!
Oh my god, that's crazy.
Wheels, it stops.
Really?
Yeah, it won't. It was just like fucking stuck to it.
What is that?
Big time. More than dinner.
More than me?
Yo, isn't this like the... Okay,
Thank you. Where's your car? Oh, is that your car?
a tiny bit.
What mess? It's currently 6:30. I woke up before the sun today. I don't enjoy doing that.
I was FaceTiming your mom to show her how you went into work when nobody else is around. Like,
Yeah.
nobody. Your mom's busy if you're trying to call her.
I'm not trying to call her. Oh.
There's only 6 feet of snow between you and the car.
I just woke up. Dylan brought me coffee and bag before leaving for work, and I had some and I spilled it on myself. I'm gonna take a shower and get ready. We have a very fun pop-up lunch at Le Violon, so I'm gonna vlog that. I'm trying to get better at this, like talking to the camera and giving context, because most of my other videos are just like shots because I'm so used to doing reels with no voiceover. Anyway, besides the point. Also, don't mind my face. My perioral dermatitis is in a serious flare right now and I cannot get under control. Let's go. I'm already running late. Classic. Something about me is that I tend to lean on the late side. That being said, it is currently 10:50. I have to be out of here by latest 11:30. I still haven't done hair or makeup, so we're gonna do this together. I just showered. I saw this TikTok, this girl, Melody Miles. She's so pretty. I followed her semi-recently, and she always puts the, say, Star Glow under her eyes. It's like a highlighter before concealer. I don't think she actually even conceals. I don't have that luxury, but you know, maybe one day. Flawless filter, shade 4. I'm going to take a pause from makeup because my straightener is heated. Currently 11:16. I really have to. I wake up early and then I think I have enough time to chill, when in reality I don't ever have enough time to chill. Okay, let me get dressed and I'll check back in. Say it's currently 11:54 and I just parked. I'm right outside. I made it on time. I think this is a first. Alexa, if you're watching this, I just want you to know that I made it somewhere on time and ready. Thank you. That's all. Hey, where's my hood? She lives across the street and I got here first. I've been waiting.
No, bro, you got here 4 minutes ago.
I got here longer.
Michael Anthony, look a little happier.
Oh, baby.
That's literally the fucking tutorial. Oh wow, look at my beautiful swan. Oh. Aww.
Got myself a silly little coffee.